Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgway World. I'm Jeff and you're not. If I sound a little nasally, I am. If I start wheezing and coughing, I probably will at any given time. It hasn't been totally rosy around the Ridgway house or the Ridgway World. Both Terry and I have had COVID for what, 11 days now? She's like 3.5 days ahead of me, but I'm like 24 hours maybe, right? 24 hours?
Yes, you've been fever-free for 24 hours.
24 hours fever-free. Terry's not too bad right now because she, like I said, she's like 3 days. She was nursing me back to health. But it's been quite ugly. I mean, it
was a rough one.
Yeah, I categorize it into now I've only had it once before that I know of. I could have been asymptomatic, I don't know. But I had it once before. It was bad then. That was in 2021 when my brother passed away. But we had it again, and I say it was just as bad. So all those doom and gloom feelings come back when you have it because you're just thinking, hey, this is going to be it. This is it for me or her. I mean, it's just we don't know. So, but yeah, it's been quite traumatic basically having it again. But you've had it what? 6 times?
Had it. I probably have had it 6 times, but I only know for sure that I've had it for 3. That's documented.
3.
The other times I didn't test.
Right.
So.
But it seems like when you had it, each time the 3, 4, 5, or 6, whatever the case may be, you always had the same symptoms.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah, except for I've lost taste a couple times.
Right. And it's just like me this week, and I know Terry's going to tell the same thing. When I first had it, I really didn't lose my taste that much, but this time I did. I lost, the taste, the flavor. I think it was like seasoning. I could taste the blend of a season or something like pepper maybe. Because yeah, but that's it. It was kind of weird.
Yeah.
Very, very not high temperatures, but consistent temperatures. Sore throat, nasally. But everybody's probably had it or gone through it. And if you haven't had it, God bless you. I'm glad for you, and you don't want it. So, but we do have good things that have happened while we were out out of commission. The sad part is what?
We can't see the baby.
Yes, we have a grandbaby. Come on, sit down. Which side you want?
Here.
Yeah. Yeah, we have a granddaughter. And as you can see from the shirts,
Psycho Mom, Jimmy. I'm Jimmy.
Yep, and I'm Psycho Pop-Pop. I sort of claimed Pop-Pop early on, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah. But we're proud grandparent. She's adorable. But the sad part is we can't
see her.
We can't see her, visit, whatever. So we're going by little videos, and but God,
we will be seeing her soon.
Yes, we will. She may be 12 months by the time we get healthy, but I mean, but we we're looking forward to it. We can't wait. We're just.
And I don't know if you could see Johnny, but he's doing so much better.
Yes.
These steroids are working wonders on him. If that's what it is, I don't know. Did he have COVID?
He may have, because John, ironically, has more lives than a cat. And everybody knows I really dislike cats. But Johnny has bounced back from so many things. It's unreal. And for being an old man, he
has a very strong, I believe, very strong heart and a very strong will.
Yeah.
He wants to do something, he's going to do it.
Yeah.
Don't tell me what I can't do!
And he's back to, after his medications and stuff that he's been on, he's back to normal, other than we do
have to help him a little bit down the stairs and up the stairs, but other than that, did you want to look at the camera to put? No, you don't. Okay.
So we've got to the point where, we now use a pillowcase, and we tuck it under right around his balls and pick him up that way to help. What?
I don't think it's around his balls.
It is. It's right in front of him. It's under the pecker and his balls. It's right in that tucker area. So, okay. But either way, so we grab it and we hold that right above here so he could go out the back door, because when he was really bad, he couldn't go out the back door without falling and doing a header right out onto the concrete.
Yeah.
So
Now he's walking and he's going to the bathroom and
Yeah.
I don't know how much longer he's going to be with us, but it's as a gift. He doesn't seem we do have him on pain meds still, but it's not making him like loopy or anything. So
No, he's good.
yeah.
It's just his, but again, we try to help him out, and then once you get him outside, you let the pillowcase go, and he's on his merry way again.
Yeah.
Right? Now we had the sling. We had the sling, and I think that was mentioned previously for him to try to assist him. But what happened?
It made him throw up twice. I think it was too much pressure
Behind the rib
right
cage?
here, and it made him throw up. So we're returning that. But the pillowcase, the king size pillowcase, works just as
perfect.
well. And so we'll just keep up with the steroids till he's done, which will be another 2-3 weeks.
Yep.
And hopefully that takes care of if he's got some inflammation going on or whatever.
But he is a bag of bones. I mean, there's no way around that. He is a bag,
however long we have, it's a blessing. We're very lucky.
We
really
are. I mean, every day we have with him is a gift.
Right.
That's our opinion. Hell, we've taken him to the vet how many times, including the surgery, where we think that's the end. We're going to, he's going to get the infamous double needle trick and then go to sleep. But and we try to prep ourselves for it on the ride there, expecting it, but we don't get it. It's like the biggest hype for something, but then you're not let down, you're happy. I mean, it's just one of those things. It's an emotional roller coaster, as anybody has or that's had to put a pet down. It's so emotional. And then when you come out, it's like, did that just happen? Did he use one of his 9 lives?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, because we were so sure that the vet was going to recommend us to do that.
Right.
But he was like, the vet was so super nice and was like.
He laid right on the floor with him.
He laid on the floor with him and he told him, he'll be all right. And he probably fell, hurt something, whatever.
But it's like whisking somebody into an emergency room, like a child or something. You're whisking him in there, and here comes John. His legs are dangling and everything, and he couldn't stand up. So and they had to take him directly in. We brought him in. It was very
so it's
dramatic.
night and day from what he was then to what he is now.
Right.
So
would you think it'd be a good idea maybe to show people what it's like to haul the old man out the back door with a pillowcase? Because a lot of people probably that have Labradors or bigger dogs that their back end goes lame, but they still got good life in them. So maybe I think we show that, just a little clip, us going through out the back door, showing it. Would that work, you think? I think it's a good idea for everybody to see.
Sure. Okay.
Tuna, don't look so sad. You're going outside. Johnny, you want to get up? We're going to show how we use this right behind your between your pecker and your balls. Come on, get up. Let's go outside. Come on, get up. Sometimes he needs a little help on a slippery floor.
Maybe I should be in front of you.
Sure, you go out first. Tuna will go out with you.
But I want. Here you go. Go ahead. No, not yet, John.
So yeah, we just roll it up, put it. Yeah, see, he's very eager. Just put it like this, and then.
I can't.
Oh, it's okay.
So
we got him. Look,
fast.
see his legs fold under.
Yeah, he's doing great.
Let me let go of it. John, you're just getting crazy, bud. There. Now
see how well he's walking?
Yeah, see, he's got a little jiggle to his step, but he loves licking pee all the time now. Look at that. He'll get all shaky jawed. Look. Oh boy.
But he was not doing this 2 weeks ago.
No, he wasn't, and it's just amazing to me.
I
mean, I rode him off then again.
Tuna, get out of the woods.
I think she was going in the poop. Tuna, get out. Tuna. Tuna, get out. So.
And it's extremely humid today.
Yeah, we've had in South Jersey, East Coast, Midwest, I know everybody's had bad weather. It's been crazy weather, but the humidity and the heat has been unbearable around here. Right, and I'm not saying luckily, but we were cooped up in the house during a lot of that heat.
Yeah.
And it's just been nice to come outside.
Yeah.
And I did mow the lawn this morning against my doctor's orders.
Uh-huh.
You're not going out there. I'll tell the boys because you've only had a fever for less than 24 hours. John, get out of there. Get out.
That's right, because it can come back. You could have a relapse, so you have to like take it easy.
I should take it easy, but when I had it, the first day or two, I felt like I was dying. So now it's like I got a new lease on life, and I wanted to get outside.
I
it's not
understand that, but you just have to be a little patient.
But I couldn't, or we couldn't use the pool.
Yeah.
You couldn't. God
I know.
knows we have a pool in the backyard that you can't use because you're sick as a friggin' dog. And the other thing you can't do is look out there. Something was crying for use. Look at the front end of the killer bee. See it in the garage?
Yeah.
We couldn't drive that. Plus, I didn't want to touch anything because I don't want to contaminate anything. But these are just things you take for granted. But but when you're sick, you just can't do it. I mean, it's unfortunate.
Look at this
But
miracle
again,
dog.
he's been like a miracle. Where are you going now, crazy legs? No, you know him. Oh,
There he
that's
goes.
what he does.
And then he says, "Come help me."
Yeah, should have went in here. But another thing I would like to say too is we are so proud of JT and Miranda. We really are. They're great people. They're very deserving, and they produced a beautiful young lady. We are so proud, and we're proud of you guys.
And we just can't wait to.
We can't wait. It's great. Watch out the poop. There's turkey poop there. But yeah, we are very, very proud grandparents, and we just can't wait. It's just, I guess you can tell by our faces, other than we look very pasty white from our illness. So, you good now, buddy? Are you ready to go back in yet or not?
It's humid, huh?
So, and another thing,
What?
tell your brother that I'm capable of working again in his yard. But, and here's the but I want you to tell him, I need an apology from Joe.
An apology?
Yeah, an apology. There was no reason for him to get on my tractor. I have never in my life seen anybody that would just jump on somebody's equipment. I go over out of the kindness of my heart to help people. But that is my equipment. If it breaks, it's my responsibility. It's, if something goes wrong, if anything is hit, it's my responsibility. If he sat on that thing and ran it and he hurt somebody, that's my responsibility, even though he was the idiot that did it.
Even if he hurt himself.
He could have hurt himself. He could have hurt them. He doesn't know how to drive it. He doesn't know what he's doing.
Okay, but
But what?
he didn't do anything to the
No,
tractor.
it's my tractor,
I get it.
my
I
seat.
get it. It's
it
all
fits
about
my butt.
I get it. It's all about respect. I understand
It's a respect. I agree. Oh,
that. But do you definitely want? What's the matter?
no, he was caught. Like he was.
You definitely need to have an apology.
Yeah, from Joe. He had no right to do it. He had no right. It wasn't like Kevin sat on it, or it wasn't like Larry sat on it. It had to be Joe. Why? Is it? He just doesn't understand that. I think I even said to him, "Oh, just because you see the keys in somebody's car doesn't mean you go in there and sit there and try and start it." I left that, and I was coming back to get it started again. I would have got it started. I didn't need him mingling with it. He's like a little kid, in a candy shop. He's just got to sit there and play with stuff. I don't know, but that's what I need. I need a apology. That's all.
All right.
And I'll be back in a heartbeat and take care of things like I always do. So,
Okay.
all right, I gotta go get him.
Pretty flower.
I honestly didn't think that would even come back.
You know what? I don't even remember the name of this plant, but
Big, beautiful flower.
it's got to be in the hibiscus family. I would.
I would
think.
guess, but look at the size of that.
Because look at the flowers and the
Look at John's pen.
and John's
on it.
peeing on it. Thanks, John.
Here, take your pillowcase back, will you, buddy? But yeah, I had second thoughts about the whole tractor thing. I was almost going to pull out and not even do it. or finish,
Just because he sat on it?
Yeah, it just pissed me off. I don't know why. I had enough, so I was going to cut, but I had second thoughts, and I always say once an apology. That's it, because it's not right. Is that asking too much in your opinion?
No, I understand. It's not like it was feelings hurt. It was more of like a respect kind of thing.
Yeah, it didn't hurt. Hell, it didn't hurt my feelings. It's just the idea.
I don't think though Joe did it on purpose. I don't think he had any intention of disrespecting or hurting you. I think he was just actually trying to help because, they wanted to see what was going on. So.
But I understand he probably didn't think I was coming back, because I said I was done. But it's the idea of it. Tractors, people park tractors at different places when they're working everything. You see backhoes out there, excavators, whatever. So there was no reason for him to even jump on it. There was really no reason for him to mess with it as a group either.
I understand. I'll say.
And again, it cost a lot of money in its day. And, it's just, I'd rather, if anybody's going to break it, I'd rather it be me.
Right, and it's not like he's familiar with any of it.
Right.
And like you said, with the seat and all that.
I know.
So.
It's just one of those things that get in your crawl, and then you just gotta, like I said, all I need is one little apology. Hey, I'm sorry. Won't let it happen again. I appreciate you, or whatever. I don't care.
Okay.
Something like that. That's all.
All right.
All right.
So
well, either way.
Hopefully, we get to see the grandbaby.
Yeah, we're just jonesing to see the grandbaby. That's it. We really need it. So. She's a good young lady, and Charlotte is a beautiful little girl, right?
Yeah.
We're both very proud. All right. Everybody have a great day and a good life. We're going to try to moving forward.